God doesn't call you to get everything together and understand everything completely before coming to him. He wants you to come to him in faith, just like the wise men. He wants you to see this Christmas that the baby who is born is both Savior and King. And he wants you to come in humble adoration and worship by faith. That's one way to respond, and I pray that that's the way you are responding. The wise men humbled themselves, and they worshiped this unknown baby. This Christmas, I pray that you would, if you haven't done it, humble yourself and see Jesus as King and as Savior. Because there's another response, and that's the response of King Herod. The wise men's one sole purpose was to worship the king. King Herod's one sole purpose is to reject this king. In one sense, Herod had more information than the wise men. He had all the chief priests, all the scribes. He brought them all together and he said, tell me all about this king. He had the information and he still rejected him. And I had this thought. I never really thought about this before. Herod had the gospel preached to him right here.